3D NFTs look amazing, we all know that. So today I am going to show you guys how to create your own 3D NFTs. And it's really simple. Today we are going to use some AI that is going to create this, so we can literally turn any picture into a 3D model and then into an NFT. And that is really easy and simple. So you don't need to know anything about the NFT creation process or modeling or that stuff. Today it's just about following this video along, and then you will be able to create NFTs of literally everything. So make sure to stick all the way to the end. And if this video helps you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, we need to download something again, and that is Blender. So basically just search up Blender in your browser and then click on the first link here, and then you will be able to download Blender for whatever system. And yeah, you just need to install that, and there will be some quick steps you have to go through to set everything up, but that is really easy and self-explanatory. So you just follow that along, and then you will have Blender installed and ready to go. Okay, so now when you have installed Blender, we want to get an image that we want to turn into a 3D NFT. So basically, maybe take your own image that you took of somebody, or take an image of yourself. That's up to you. But for now, for this video, I am just going to search up something on the internet. So I'm just going to search up standing, just like that. And then I will just pick an image from here that I will use for this. So basically I got this image right here. So I'm just going to save this image. So now I have this image saved. Now, as you guys can see, it has a white background around it. So we want to get rid of that. And you guys probably think that it's really hard to do that, but it's actually not hard at all. All we have to do is to go to a website that is called remove background, and here we'll just go on and upload a file, and that is going to take care of the background. See, and just like that, that was really quick, it removed the background. So now we are going to download the file again, and we have a file without a background. So I'm just going to drag that onto my So I just dragged that onto the desktop here. Now we will go back into our browser, and now it's important that you look down below this video to click on the link that I linked below, because we will go to a Google Colab site where we have some AI to do this stuff for us. So basically just click on the link down below. I will just take that link and paste it in here now. That's the link. And then you should be on this page right here. So here we want to scroll down all the way and click on the Colab part right here. And here we are. Now what we have to do is just copy to Drive. That is fairly simple. So now we will go on to the connect and just connect to a hosted runtime. So click on that, and then it will say connecting. And yeah, then we will just scroll down here on the Google Colab, scroll all the way down till you see this clone part right here. There we will just click on this play thingy, and on the configure input data, we will click on there too. Now we just have to import our image. So basically we're going to go on here on the folder sign, then on our PUFUHD folder, and then we will go in here to the sample image folder. Now we will just simply drag that in. Oh wait, I will just quickly rename it, because that is important that we have a name that we can easily write into the code now. So I'm just going to say HT, I don't know, something like that. And then we got that set up. Now we have to go down here, just go to the import OS. And as you guys can see, it's test in here. So it's going to grab this image and we don't want that to happen. So you're going to click here and then we are going to put the name of our file that we want in here. And we have the file HD right here. So it should be here too. So just like that, I have put that over there. Now we will go up here on the runtime button and click on that and then go on run after. So we will just click on that and now it should do its work. So we will just wait. It might take some time. Just be patient, wait. Maybe just wait like 5 minutes and then you will come back. Okay, it took about 3 minutes for me now. Now that it has loaded, we will just go on here, close that once and open it again to refresh that. And then we will click on the results thingy right here. Just go in here and we will have our results. As you guys can see, it's 2 files. One time we have a PNG file and then one time a OBJ file. So we will just download both of them now. And now we have both of those files right here. Now we want to go ahead and close this because we don't need that anymore. Now that we are done with that part, we will open Blender. Okay, here is Blender now. I will put it in full screen and then we will just open a new general file and we got a basic setup right here. I'm already going to deactivate the cube. I'm even going to delete it because we really don't need that. And then we will go up here to the file tab right here and then import and go on to our .obj add-on and click on that. So then we will just go on desktop where I've stored the files and then I will open the HD one. So I'm going to import it now and yeah, as you guys can see, let me just zoom in. Here we got a person in 3D and remember guys, this is from a 2D picture and it even created the bag. So that's just crazy what this AI can do. Now that we have this guy in here, we can basically paint him or whatever you guys want to do. But I will choose to wrap the normal texture he had on him around him now. Okay, to wrap this thing right now, I'm just going to go into the edit mode. And when I'm in the edit mode, I'm just going to split the screen right now. Not like that. Split the screen right here. Drag it over here. Now I will go into the UV editor over here. Just like that. Here I will open the image that we have used for this. So the basic image just, and that is this one. And then over here, I'm going to click on the green thingy to line it up so it's straight. And then we will click on UV and project from view. Then we will go over here and basically click on here. And then we have to scale this orange thingy over this guy. So basically just take your tools and scale it. So that is about right. I'm going to go with this now. And yeah, so basically when we're done with that, just leave it like that. And we will go back to the layout thingy. Oh wait, I'm just going to go over here then. And trying to connect it through the shader. So we are just going to go on here and add a texture, image texture, open our image again, just like that. Then connect the color to a base color. And just like that, we have nice texture on this guy. So I can go over here. And yeah, as you guys can see, we have some nice texture here. Now this is basically a 3D model that is finished. So now the part with the rendering comes. Now we can basically just, I think this style looks better, yeah. So we can put it like this. Now we have to add a camera. So we are going here to the add, and then we will have to add a camera right here. I'm just gonna move it. Okay guys, I aligned the camera perfectly now. As you guys can see, if I click on this, I think that looks great. So then I'm just going to add a background real quick. For that, I'm just going to add and then go on add and add a plane that we are going to rotate. Not along that axis, but this one. And then we're going to scale it real quick. And then of course move it out. So just like that, we have a nice plane. The plane is going to get a color too. So we are just going to add a material to that. This, I'm really sorry that it takes so long, but this really takes some power here. So we are going to get the color here, and now we're going to go with something like that. Yeah, something like that. And then we will once again just check. That looks quite great. So I actually decided to move the camera out further now. So I'm just going to add a plane for his feet too now. And then we will be done. So just add that real quick. And that is our rendered image now. I think that looks quite great. And yeah, with that said, as you guys can see, it has some shadows in here too. So now we are going to use this image. As you guys can see, I have my exported file right here. So now what we need to do is to go to our browser again and search for OpenSea. And yeah, just click on the first link and log in. So just go onto your account and log in with your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you're using. So just sign in here. And then we can start creating our new item. So I'm just going to upload the picture now. So I'm just going to grab our picture, that is this one, and put it in here. Then I'm going to call it Weird Man. I don't know. Put a link in, put a description. You have heard it all. We are going to skip the collection part because this is not a collection. Supply 1, obviously. Then obviously we are going to choose the Polygon blockchain to mint this NFT on. And then yeah, we will just create it. So I'm just going to click on create, and then we will see. And just like that, we have created our NFT. That's how easy it is to create 3D NFTs with just using this AI and Blender. And it really wasn't a lot of work, and I think this turned out quite nice. If you put in a bit more work, it can be even nicer. So yeah, just like that, we have our NFT now. We can list it and that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And with that said, I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.